I told you before the ones and twos. It's one and only my brother, Mr. DJ Coca. Right out of DJs. I go by the names of MC Capitano. You know what time it is? You know what time it is? You know how we do it? All our viewers, this is how we get it started now. We know our first episode of the show. Sponsored by so many fellows in town. I see you, my brother Sputters. I see you, my brother DJ Ways. I see you, my brother DJ Poopa. You know, we're just checking out the sound, ladies and gentlemen. Before officially we get going and started the official show tonight. Messiah, we're checking out the sound. Sound check. Sound check. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. What we say? 1 and 2. 2 and 4. 4 and 6. 7 and 8. 9 and 10. Ready? Ladies and gentlemen, officially we're gonna be live on air. In a couple of minutes, performing with us this evening, we have one and only Mr. Frenzy and the only Swagger lady, the Swagger mama in town, GS Swagger, for the first episode of the Arua Online Music Box. Sometimes I don't get me when I let you broke my heart. So much I love the music, that's what I'll be taking. If you want to catch us right now, all our viewers, we are live on Derek Bassey Facebook page. and Lulua TV. Not to waste a lot of time, with the talk of online fight this together. Please, if you know you've been one of the perpetrators who have been causing harm to our young ladies in our community, please let us stop this. Let us put an end to impregnating, to violating the rights of our young ladies in our community. Like I said before, we don't only share great knowledges, great ideologies. We also have a lot of activities like we do in our platform. Like we said, we support young talents when it comes to this platform. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we have two energetic and performing artists with us. One is Frenzy, the other one is our own mama, the Swagger mama in town, in the city. She goes by the name of G.A. Swagger. But before I go into so much detail about this, we're gonna have some impressive. We're gonna showcase you one of the youngest talents we have in town. Ladies and gentlemen, all our viewers, allow me to welcome you next on the card to come and perform. That is our young, our energetic, mature in performance. I hope my DJ is set. Before he comes on stage, by the way, my team is big. A big shout out to all people who have supported this online show. I see you, my brother, Mr. DJ Popa. I am the host, as usual, MC Capitano. Thank you so much, my brother, the real person. This is all my team. I see you, Mr. Jeff. Thank you so much. My brother, Lula TV, of course. Thank you so much. Before I go so much into any other informations, ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for the first entertaining performer live on this live. Remember, we're live. Like I said, run to Lulua TV Facebook page and Derek Passy Facebook page. Let us embrace ourselves and put our hands together for the first performing. Ladies and gentlemen, Frenzy, DJ Papa.
Tell me what city. Turn around and they run the city. Your body, nobody. Let me say nobody, your body, nobody. Let me say nobody, my baby, baby, my baby, my baby, baby, my baby. I look enough, girl, I wanna go to go. I look enough, girl, I wanna go to go. YOLO, YOLO, I say YOLO, let me say YOLO, YOLO, and let me see your body, let me see your body. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please, GBA Nation.
This is talent. Westside has it all. He's a new kid on block. Frenzy is his name. Thank you so much, my brother Frenzy. Like I told you, this platform as well helps in showcasing the new talent. In a special way, I would like to shout out everyone who is watching us live. Straight away, if you're in Uganda, if you're in the diaspora, France, Denmark, Canada, Australia, Southern Sudan, Khartoum, we have Juba, we have Afghanistan. If you're in Tokyo, I want to say thank you for streaming us live. I want to say thank you once again. May God and Allah bless you in good faith. In good faith. Like I told you before, we still have ongoing performances, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, I am not alone. My team is really quite big and big and big. I see my brother MC Saj. Thank you so much for supporting. DJ Popa, I see my brother. Plus the team behind the set. Derek Passy, Mark Lulua, my producer as well of us. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, not to waste a lot of time, allow me to take this opportunity and welcome on stage the next and the big banger, one and only sweet mama we have in this city, Westside in particular. To the G, to the A, to the Ace, G.A. Swagger, Mr. DJ, turn on the lights.
Why? Tell me why. I'm a why? I just want to my tell me why. I'm a why? I just want to my business. I just want to you. I love you so much. I'm called G.A. Swagger, senior woman rapper, the baddest ever. I did this song because in our Lubara culture, in our community, they think ladies are animals, ladies are properties. Because I go through a lot of challenges as a woman, simply because I do what men think ladies cannot do, which is hip-hop music in my land here. And I'm better than most of them, so I go through a lot of challenges. And I still look them in the eye and tell them, Mambo TV, I am the baddest. Yeah, man.
I'm saying thank you so much. Not forgetting one and only. This is why I see you. I'm seeing you live in Longiri. Thank you so much for catching us. Thank you. Like I told you before, this is yet the beginning. Remember, every other after 2 weeks we shall be live on the 2 Facebook pages. That is Lulwa TV and Derek Passy Facebook page. I want to take this particular moment and I salute all our sponsors. I want to start by thanking one and only, that is Country Home Hotel. Country Home Hotel is located right in Zambia, that is in Awideri. If you want to get them, just drive along our Kampala Road. These guys do a lot of things. They cook food, they have bar, you know, they have place for catching football every other Saturday. Thank you so much, you guys, for supporting us. Spartan, of course, I can't forget you. By the way, I know viewers are wondering and asking themselves, why is MC Lakabitano so smart? It's because of one and only Sunday, Mr. Spartan, the singing. Thanks so much for supporting us. I want to thank SCT Beauty Parlor and Spa. Thank you so much. That's why my hair or my bald head is looking golden. Thank you so much. It's because of what? SCT Parlor and Beauty Spa and Salon. Thank you very much. We also have other sponsors. I want to thank Axin DJs. I want to say thank you as well for supporting. Plus so many other sponsors. Like I said, this is just the beginning until we come to the next show. That's when you will see me and absolutely my team. A big shout out to my team, all my production people who have been behind the cameras, my main DJ who has been behind the system, DJ Popo. Thank you, my fellow MC side. Thank you so much for coming through and watching us live as well. Not forgetting Jeff, Selector Jeff. I want to say thank you very much. These are my guys, by the way. You guys have been behind the team. I want to say Lulua TV, thank you so much. Peter the Rock, thank you very much. Not forgetting Derek himself, I want to say thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, all our viewers, I want to say thank you very much once again for supporting and viewing us. Thank you very much.
We felt that due to the pandemic effects on our artists, we felt that we needed to make them busy, do this, because a lot has happened. You know, the fact that every other artist is stuck home there is nothing to do, we don't have performances. That is why we are trying to make sure that we get this done. This is yet the beginning. We are going to do this each and every Friday after 2 weeks, which means we shall skip next week, then Friday, the other week, we are going to be on. Otherwise, I have nothing to say, but I'm so glad that you're watching us. Please, to any other artists out there, make sure that you join the association, because this is for you. This is for West Nile, because we want you to grow. As an artist, this is something that we feel you should be part of. For those of you who don't know about Arena Entertainment Stakeholders Association, we have the meetings each and every Monday of the week. We shall keep you updated just in case you feel you need to be part of this.
You know, I'm really too much excited that this has started. You know, happy it has started in our region, particularly in West Nile and Arua City. You know, we have been lacking such kind of thing, and you know, people have been sitting on us. You know me, I'm a kind of a person with the needs right on the top. I don't beat around the bush, you know, as an association. This has been directly in my office, and we tried our best to make sure we pull this off, and we promise that every 2 weeks we're going to make sure that this actually happens. So we'll be wanting your support. Today we're advocating for teenage pregnancy, which is on a rampant rise. Where I come from in Gura, I overheard the LC5 saying we have over 600,000 under 18 girls who are pregnant, and that is a very, very important information that we need to take and activate and drive. So as the artist stakeholders in West Nile, we've decided to use this to pass out information that we need to educate these girls. Let them know that there's life after COVID. Let them know that education is the key, and early pregnancy doesn't help in any way. And in case you have any girl who is pregnant, make sure please, and she's under 18, don't send her for early marriage, but make sure you can keep her around and let her know that after that mistake there's still a life to live. They can actually do better. Personally, I've come here on site just do one thing, that is to thank in a very special way all those who have supported us in this drive. Things are not easy, but allow me to give big shout outs to all the sponsors who put in their best to make sure we're here. I'll start with Spartan Blazers. He's the one who dressed our host and the artist. Thank you so much, Spartan, wherever you are. We hope and we pray that God blesses you abundantly. We had Axe DJs who were in charge of the sound. They gave us the sound. Axe DJs, wherever you are, thank you so much for the support you gave to us. And of course, not forgetting the biggest sponsor of this, that is SCT Beauty Parlor and Spa. They're located at in Arua City. They have the best hair services. They they gave us a very big support in this. They made sure we looked as good as the performers looked, and they made sure they did whatever they needed to do to make sure we look good wherever you are. The management of Arua City Beauty Parlor and Spa, thank you so much. We're very humbled that you're always listening to our cry and you're always supporting us even in the last minute. And of course, we don't forget the people, the management which has hosted us tonight. That is Country Home. Country Home is located in Zambia. It's a very nice spot in case you want a venue for your birthday, in case you want some good food. We have our chef Rapgan is always around. We'll give you some good food. Come check out Country Home. And of course, a special thanks to Powell, who happens to be the CEO. Thank you so much for supporting this. And whoever is out there and who thinks he can be part of this, please, we're always open. Come through and of course support us, because we want to do a lot more awarenesses. The next time we're going to be here, we're going to be advocating for domestic violence, which is also on the rise. And we'll pray that whoever is out there and is willing to support, please come through. Allow me in a short time thank the people who have been here and made it special. The executive team of SRO Entertainment Stakeholders Association, thank you so much. Thank you so much, my producer Abbas Ronald, for the work you've put through. Thank you, Derek Passy and Lulua TV, who have connected us online. Thank you so much, DJ Popper, who has been our producer and the sound engineer for this. And in a special way, allow me to thank Freedom, who did our photography. We have Peter De Rock, who has been around. We have our guest audience who have been here and given us the energy. We have La Capitano MC, who is our host. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much.
Probably before you go off, Jeff, I have one question for you. We talked of teenage pregnancy. That was to
awareness that teenage pregnancy is bad. We need to see how we take care of the victims who are already in there. So I can promise, as soon as the lockdown is lifted, as soon as we have the permission from the regulatory body, we're going to go down and we're going to visit all the sites in West Nile to make sure we push for a cause and we have entertainment attached with purpose, so that we can grow as a region and we can grow as a country.
Thank you very much. That was the chairman himself.